Well, hello there my friends, welcome back to the Scott Ree Project. It's been a while, so I haven't uploaded for a couple of weeks. As you may or may not know, I've released a book. It's been super busy. The reception of the book has been absolutely phenomenal. It's not released for another 2 weeks and we've nearly sold out. So I do apologize if I haven't uploaded. What I'm going to do today, I'm going to Coops. I'm over at the farm. I want to do a beautiful barbecued chili cheeseburger. I want to make a fresh burger, loads of chili in there, you know, one that punches you in the throat, and then make a beautiful, cool lime mayo to go with it on the barbie. I mean, England, it's scorching here at the moment. It's absolutely beautiful. So I'm on my way to Coops's. I got the windows down, sunroof down. I got Led Zeppelin on the stereo. Let's do it. Why not? It's rock and roll, baby. Yeah. Okay then, here we are. Beautiful part of the country. Beautiful day. Change of shirt, change of pace. We're going to make these fantastic barbecue chili cheeseburgers. Right, it's so hot, I want to get on with this quick. We're cooking it Alfresco, you know, meat and the sun don't mix. Let's do it. Okay then, the lowest table in the world. Just got some red chilies. Obviously add as much as you like, but I want it quite punchy. Like I said, I want it to hit you in the throat. Not the best chilies. I can go over there. So a couple of cloves of garlic, just working through them, nothing fancy, but you don't want too big a bit, so get that in the bowl. A couple of big chunks of chili there for Coops, he won't know, I won't tell him. Nice handful of chopped coriander. I can't help the rattling there on this table. Well, obviously we are filming outside, this is real. Love coriander. You watch the wind blow it all away now. We've actually had an amazing summer here in England. It's been ridiculously hot. Here comes a tractor. So we got our beef, get that in the bowl. Just start getting that chili, garlic and coriander through it. Lovely colours. Bit of stalk action. Nearly as cool as the colour of my pink shorts. Pinch of salt. A pinch. The wind's just carried that off. Of pepper, and then just work it with your hands. It should smell pretty smoky now. Oh yeah. So there's our mix then. What I want to do, make some proper sized burgers. So into 3. Easy. Roll it into a ball. And just gently bat it out. Not being too fussy. Now, if you're going to have a burger, have a burger. That's what we're looking at. Easy. You know, this is Alfresco. This is the kind of thing you could take your ingredients on a picnic, knock this up. Job, as they say, is a good one. I can't wait to try them. So no mucking about. Let's get these on my trusty Thuros T1 Barbie. They're going to be beautiful. Trust me. Ah, it's beautiful. Okay then, while the burgers are doing their thing down here, don't know if you can see them, I want to knock up a nice cooling mayo, not too much, so I'm just going to, I don't know, not going to go mad. Then I'm going to put the zest of a lime, then juice of said lime. Bloody hell, it's dry. Let's see if I can use the handle of that. In. Then I want to get some coriander in there. Obviously this is only enough for 2 burgers. You can make a lot more. So just chop it. I love me some coriander, so get that in. Give it a mix. Sun's back out now. Hands, touching hands, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Cool Mayo land. I do apologise. That's beautiful. Just gonna add a little bit more mayo. Oh, that's really good. I'm hoping that citrus little edge will go really well with the chilli. That's beautiful. May just add a pinch of salt. Beautiful. Smoking. They are looking good. Real cheddar, none of that nuclear orange shit. No expense spared here on the SRP. SRP Field Kitchen Mark III. Mark 1 was the bird feeder. Mark 2 was the quad. Mark 3 is a skanky old dog cage. So, some tomato, some lettuce, some token lettuce. My buns toasting on the barbie. How crap is that lettuce?
Let us give thanks.
Let us give thanks, dear boy. Oh man. Right, some lettuce. We're going to have some of that cooling mayo. One of those chili cheese burgers. A slice of tomato. And there we have it. Right, let's knock up another really, really quickly. Coops, you ain't got a spoon, have you, dude? Doing it with a bleeding fork. Hey, whose idea is this all the time? A burger, some tomato, and a lid. Too late, bro, I've done it. Right, I've got to get into this. Too late. Oh, yeah, mate.
Thank you.
Okay, there ain't a lot of that left. It needed proper chilies. They were really, really lame. I mean, it's nice, it's beautiful. I mean, you can taste the coriander, the garlic, but I really wanted a kick. So if you're gonna do it, ramp it up with some Scotch bonnet, or if you're feeling dangerous, if you're a person out of control, Carolina Reaper. But saying that, they're absolutely gorgeous. There's always one. Well, my friends, there you have it, my barbecue chili cheeseburger. Very simple. It was about 500 grams of beef, about 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander, 2 cloves of garlic. I mean, I use those chilies. They were lame. Get yourself some hot ones. You want about a tablespoon of that. There's your burger. Easy for the mayo lime mayo. It was about 2 tablespoons of mayo, the juice and zest of a lime, and about a tablespoon of chopped coriander. So there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed this episode of the Scott Ree Project. I'm back. It was all about the book. If you haven't seen anything about the book, there's a video. You'll see it in the description. I'll put the link. And also there's a few copies left, so if you want to buy them, which you do, click on the link below. And you know the drill. On my social media, Facebook, 2 pages, Scott Ree and the Scott Ree Project. Get on there, click like and follow. Also on my Twitter at the Scott Ree Project. On Instagram it's Scott Ree Project. And if you're feeling generous, check out my Patreon page. So until next time, I'm going to chill out now and enjoy the view. Take care, my friends. Man alive, I've been on hotter dates than those chilies were.